IRS Letter LT16, what you need to know. Did you just open your mail and find an IRS Letter LT16? Don't panic, but don't ignore it either. In this video, I'll explain what LT16 means, why you got it, and the steps you need to take right now to protect yourself. I'm tax attorney Chad Silver, founder of Silver Tax Group. I've been practicing tax law for 15 years, and it's the only thing my firm does, the only thing I do. We live and breathe tax defense. My team and I have helped thousands of clients across the country resolve their toughest IRS problems. And here's our promise. We'll build it, we'll submit it, and we'll defend it if necessary. Our submissions are usually bulletproof, and the IRS knows who we are, and we have contacts inside. In fact, some cases they've even worked for us in the past. So what exactly is IRS Letter LT16. This is a serious warning notice from the IRS Collections Department. It usually means you have an unpaid tax balance and the IRS is preparing to take enforcement action. If you don't respond, the IRS can move forward with things like wage garnishments and bank account levies, or filing tax liens against you, just really making a mess of your life. Why did you get it? You received an LT16 because the IRS believes you owe back taxes that haven't been paid or addressed. Maybe you missed a payment plan, maybe you defaulted it, maybe you didn't respond to an earlier letter, or maybe you didn't even know you had a balance. Either way, LT16 means the IRS is turning up the heat on you. What to do next? Now, the worst thing you can do is ignore this letter, and this is what people do all the time. I get calls from the office all the time like, I've got a stack of letters sitting on my desk, I just didn't open them, and now my wages are garnished, or I've got a bank account levy, and I don't know what to do, Attorney Silver. Well, listen, those letters stack up. The IRS won't just forget about it. You typically have 30 days from the date of the notice to take action before they start enforcing collections. Here are your options. First, you can pay the balance in full if possible, but that's not realistic for most people. Set up a payment plan with the IRS. Well, that's a little better. See if you qualify for an offer in compromise where you may sell for less than what is owed. I mean, that's a great resolution and you hear it advertised on TV all the time, but not necessarily qualifies for everybody. It's just not done. It's based on your financial circumstances. And then there's the currently not collectible status, which is great for people whose expenses exceed their income. The IRS has some cost of living standards that are actually quite generous. And also there's a partial pay installment plan. And that actually functionally works like an LLC, and I'll talk about that more later. Finally, if you don't agree with the balance, dispute it or appeal it. But here's the thing, dealing with the IRS can be complicated and intimidating. One mistake can cost you thousands, and that's where Silver Tax Group professionals come in. At Silver Tax Group, we handle IRS letters like LT16 every single day. We know the process, we know the IRS agents, we know your rights, and we can move quickly to protect you from aggressive collection actions. So if you received an IRS letter LT16, don't wait. Take action today. You can call us for help at 855-900-1040 or visit us online at silvertaxgroup.com where our 24/7 live chat is available. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tax tips. I'm Chad Silver, tax attorney and founder of Silver Tax Group. Remember, we'll build it, we'll submit it, and we'll defend it if necessary. Stay informed, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.